If you've been struggling with playing scales and arpeggios fast, this is the video for you, because in no more than 10 seconds with this one little technique trick, soon you'll be able to play like this. If you're new here, my name's Jonathan, and on this channel we provide practical tutorials to help you improve at the piano faster. Now, this simple yet effective technique tip revolves around the thumb, which many beginning and intermediate students don't use correctly to be able to effectively sail across the keyboard. They'll kind of jump around their scales like this, or they might kind of contort their arm to get the thumb under, both of which slow us down quite a bit. And so the tip is basically to get your thumb underneath your hand, we might say tucking the thumb under the hand, earlier than you think you need to. Now, to get started with this, as with any new technique you want to start slowly and build up the speed. So your scale will look kind of like this. Watch the thumb, thumb under, thumb under. So I'm putting my thumb underneath my hand, not clenching, not tightening, but just sort of lightly putting my thumb under the hand like that, earlier than I think I need to. Again, it might feel kind of weird doing it so early when we're playing slowly, but the idea is from there you're going to speed it up little by little and still think very intentionally thumb under, 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 and then faster, under, 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 and then before you know it, you'll wonder how you ever played your scales without doing this thumb tucking technique. And then for arpeggios, it's the same exact concept. Again, instead of jumping or doing one of these things with your arm, tuck the thumb under early, and it makes it so much easier for nice fluid arpeggios. Now, of course, I demonstrated this with my right hand, but the same principles apply with the left hand going downwards. So tucking the thumb under, and then same thing with arpeggios, under, under. And then to really unlock speed in your arpeggios, there's another technique you'll need to unlock, and I cover that in this video here. I'll see you there.